We made it to the waterfall. You guys are ready to see it?
I am.
Behold, the waterfall. Okay, that was the waterfall in all of its epic glory. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and we'll see you next week. See ya.
No.
Apparently, this is the waterfall we were hiking up to.
All right, so we are getting ready to roll out of the KOA. Good morning.
Good crisp morning.
Yes, it's cold today. So today we are at Asheville East KOA, correct?
Yes.
Asheville East KOA, it's obviously in Asheville, North Carolina. We've been here for 3 nights and today is moving day. So me and Travis are trying to get back into the running thing.
We used to run consistently. We'd run half marathons, 5, 6 consecutive weekends in a row. And now it would probably kill us to try and run one, so.
Yeah, so we're trying so hard to get back into the running thing, getting up early. It's so easy to fall into like vacation mode, even though this is like our lifestyle, not a vacation. Yeah. So we're trying to get back into real life stuff like exercising and staying fit and healthy. Yeah, but look at this lake at this KOA. It is beautiful. So pretty. There's some little ducklings, a mother duck and little ducklings right there on the edge. But this is a really pretty KOA. The backdrop of the mountains, the Blue Ridge Mountains, are all surrounding Asheville. Okay, so we are here at the Blue Ridge Parkway Visitor Center. It's pouring rain. We're gonna go check out and see what the drive is. There's supposed to be a bunch of cool hikes and waterfalls you can hike to along here. So we are gonna go in the Visitor Center and check it out.
Come on, boys, we'll see where this road gives up. Blacktop and gasoline.
Welcome to Tan Bar Ridge Overlook.
But I keep shifting into neutral while the river's racing by. Yeah, I'm sitting in the chamber, locked and loaded, let me fly. And you won't forget the quakes, they get in your bones. And I've seen the flames.
So here we are at one of the stops along the Blue Ridge Parkway. It is pouring rain. So we're not doing any of the tours, but it's still really pretty out here. This is a picnic area and it's so cool. It kind of looks like a haunted picnic area. There's just all of these tables kind of on the hillside and they look really old. It's really cool and a little creepy in the rain, but kind of cool.
Lay every trophy down in the ground. Ooh.
So we are here in the pouring rain at Chimney Rock State Park.
Yep.
And it's raining.
Pouring rain. Yes. So we drove up. We weren't quite sure what was here. We drove up. It was pretty expensive. It was $17 for adults, each adult, and $8 for the kids. So it cost us $50 to get in. And it wasn't raining when we drove in. We had a little break. As soon as we drove in, it started raining again.
I opened my big mouth and I said, finally it quit raining so we can come here. As soon as we paid the $50, the rain started.
But it's all right. We're embracing it. And we're gonna go hiking in the rain. So there's a huge waterfall here, and then there's an elevator that will take you up to the top of Chimney Rock. but we have Piper and you can't take dogs on the elevator. Tip. So we're gonna all hike up the stairs and check out Chimney Rock. It's supposed to be amazing, and I'm sure the waterfall's amazing as well. I've heard good things about this state park. We'll let you know if we think it's worth the $50 price tag.
Oh yeah, one more thing. Piper got a treat. Free treat.
Yeah, so when we were driving in, when we paid the $50, they gave Piper a dog biscuit, huh?
She loved it.
Yeah, that was
We bought a
great.
$50
It was
dog
gone in
biscuit.
seconds.
It was a $50 dog biscuit, and the experience is free.
Perfect. I mean, Piper's worth it, right? I don't know. Here's our first tiny waterfall. Chimney Rock. So here's Chimney Rock clear up there. And there's stairs that take you all the way up. And the elevator actually goes through this mountain right here. Pretty cool. What we're doing. Strenuous way. Getting some exercise.
Down here?
Okay, so our first trail we're gonna head on is down to Hickory Nut Falls. Is it slippery?
Hearts worth falling for. Oh, and with open arms I'll carry yours. Come, rain or shine, I'll cover you up and calm the skies. As long as you are mine, I'll be there when you need me. You can count on it every time.
So we are just approaching the waterfall. Look at this, it's so high and beautiful. Grand, wow.
All right, we made it to the, I just got tied up on the dog. Oh, I just kicked her in the face. Sorry, dog. We made it to the waterfall. You guys are ready to see it?
I am.
Behold, the waterfall. Okay, that was the waterfall in all of its epic glory. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and we'll see you next week. See ya.
No.
Okay, so apparently I don't know what I'm talking about. I thought that was the waterfall. Apparently, this is the waterfall we were hiking up to.
Alright, so we made it to the waterfall. There she is. Big and beautiful.
404 feet long.
Not there, the waterfall.
Ha. Ha ha.
This is a Lifestraw. It supposedly kills 99.99% of the germs. And also, this is my first time using it, so I hope it works.
So Tripp has this. Oh, sorry, bud.
It's okay.
Lifestraw. He's gonna try it out the first time today. Let's see, bud.
Is it gonna work or is it gonna work? It's not gonna work. I'm so scared. Okay. I'm so scared. Do it. Oh, so that's what you're supposed to do. And it does work. And then when you're done with it, you have to push it out.
So you got a drink?
Yeah, I actually did.
How'd it taste?
Like fresh water from the fridge.
Mom's gonna bite the bullet and she's gonna try it now.
Let's try.
Heck no.
Okay.
You don't dare swallow it?
It took me a long time to get some water. You have to like kind of keep sucking it up.
It's a big straw though.
Yeah. It tastes pretty good. It actually has a little bit of the taste of dirt.
Yum.
It might be the charcoal taste or...
What's wrong with dirt?
It's probably the charcoal. Yeah, come on, there.
Okay, now we're on our way up to Chimney Rock. I guess it's like the grand finale at the state park, but look at this view on the way up.
Oh,
It's beautiful. Travis and Riley are up there. Oh, somewhere. So we're going through the grotto. I can see ya. So we're going through the grotto, and it's about 1,000,000 steps on the way up. See, 1,000,000 steps. We've already done 1,000,000.
still going.
So here's the grotto. Pretty cool.
We found a little cave,
I don't like it.
and Tripp's gonna lead the way. This is called the subway. Oh, and that's called a puddle of water.
I bet that's probably coming here at night time and then
So this takes you through.
anytime. Tripp, that's like during the day. Or nocturnal, if that's the right word.
That's the right word. So through the cave and
Woo!
out the other side
I would like to live here.
to find, what do we find? More stairs.
Oh, great.
Okay, this is one of the stops along the way, Pulpit Rock. And down below you can see Chimney Rock Village. It's a cute little village. There, we drove by this. There was like a little carnival and a bunch of little shops and stuff. Places to stay. Whew, I'm out of breath from all the steps.
You still got a lot more
So
to
this
go.
is Pulpit Rock. This view, beautiful.
I mean,
Yeah, here's Chimney Rock.
no, me and
We made it to the top of Chimney Rock after 5,000,000 steps. Out of breath.
Welcome to Devil's Head.
So we made it to the very top of Chimney Rock, and then this is even higher. I'm not sure what our elevation is here. So this is about as high as you can go. The view is beautiful.
wait, that's gonna be
So Riley and Tripp were having a hard time making it to the top.
little legs.
Their legs are sore. So we promised them if they made it to the top, we could go get
Ice cream or a treat. Dessert.
Dessert!
That's it, let's go.
So we made it to the top. Now we gotta go all the way back down.
I want a treat. I want a treat.
No. Elevator? You dance!
Alright, so Travis had to walk down because they don't allow dogs on the elevator, but we're taking the easy way down.
My legs are shaking.
Poor Travis has to hustle all the way down with Piper, but
Jump! Yeah, that's weird jumping.
you get to ride the elevator that goes through the mountain.
Sadly, they don't have windows. Don't jump up the ground.
We're looking inside the
Oh,
mountain.
this is cool, but it's very long.
Oh, it's cold. It's cold in here.
Yeah, it is.
Like a tunnel, like a cave.
Is this real?
So here is what it looks like if you ride the elevator up from the bottom. We walked up and rode it down. Let's go see what else it has to say.
What's that like? And we have stuff in the middle.
This
Yeah.
is potatoes, mashed potatoes.
Okay.
Mash.
How
How is that? Delicious?
That was good.
Ordered some decals with our website, wanderingrootsrv.com. And Travis is up there on the ladder putting them up. So we're putting the web address up high, and then our logo is going to go big about where Travis's legs are, his knees and feet. So the web address is up, looks so good. And now we're gonna do the logo down where the ladder is. The big old logo. So here's the big logo we're putting on the back. Travis is just smoothing down the transfer tape to make sure that the whole decal is sticking. And then we'll stick it up on the back.
One last ticket before it's gone. One last summer before it's fall. Tune your strings and play your...
Okay, so the very last decal is going up. Our little logo on the side to match the logo on this side. Looking good. We also decaled the Jeep. Asheville. We unfortunately didn't get to see too much of the town of Asheville, which is supposed to be a really cool town, but we were only here for 3 nights, and we did the Chimney Rock State Park the first day, and then Biltmore Estate yesterday, and then today we are headed to Tennessee.
Pigeon Forge.
Yep. All right, we're gonna continue our run.
Get healthy.
Leave you with this beautiful view.
One last light before the truth.